Hello everyone, this is Julian from Planet Coffee, and today we have a Profitec machine with us in the shop, and it came in for one main reason, and that reason was that the machine was cold, or the steam boiler wasn't kicking on, and since this is a heat exchanger machine, that means you wouldn't be able to brew and you wouldn't be able to steam on this machine, since the heat exchanger relies on the steam boiler to heat up that heat exchanger pipe. And so what they had been instructed by the place that they received this machine was a relay swap. And so customer provided the exact relay, so we swapped it out, and it's working well. After a really long time of leaving it on with the old relay, it would cut off the steam boiler and won't send any more power into the heating element. And so we replaced that, and then after that we did a complete tune-up on this machine, which is deep cleaning the group head, replacing the shower screen and gasket, which was also provided by the customer, descaling the boiler and the heat exchanger pipe, and doing back flushing to clean out this bottom valve. And yeah, now we're here, and so we're going to brew a quick shot on the machine real quick. So we'll just put this cup under here. Now we don't calibrate the grinds, so don't worry if it runs a little too slow or a little too fast. But we do have flow control on here, so you can mess with that little top valve to mess with the pressure. But since we already let it go, there's quite a lot of pressure going through. Yeah, so about 9 bars. 9 to 10. Shots coming down nice and slow. That means it's really fine coffee in there, which is good for espresso. Is what you're really wanting. Usually you want to brew espresso within 30 seconds, excluding the pre-infusion time that you do. So say you do 5 seconds pre-infusion, you usually want to do 35 seconds full shot. Yeah. We're just going to let that brew a little bit more, since it's quite a good shot coming out. And yeah, cut that off. Really great shot that came out of there. Move that to the side. Quickly test the steam out by just twisting this knob. Let's see, working well. Then lastly, hot water tap. Yeah. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.